Did you know that the iColor 650 can print way more than just transfers for t-shirts? Listen, if you didn't know, this white toner printer is really versatile. It doesn't just print transfers for just regular t-shirts. That's the #1 thing that people think of it when they think of a white toner printer. But this baby can do so much more. It's so versatile. Now, I've showed you in a previous video when I actually went to the headquarters in Long Island, New York, and Joe showed us pretty much a lot of the things that it can do, but I only scratched the surface. So I'm going to be doing a series every now and then showing you all the different things that this white toner can do. In today's video, we are doing banners. Big banners, long banners, huge banners that you can use for your business, that you can display on your wall, and that you can sell, most importantly. So today, I'm going to show you how the white toner printer can print just not transfers for t-shirts, but banners, baby. All right, so if you have a white toner printer, specifically the 600 or the 650, you need to stick around for today's video. If you've been thinking about the white toner and you've been saying, what am I going to do with it? If you've been up in the air and if you've been trying to figure out what is the best investment, either this versus the DTF, you might just want to stick around for today's video, because today I'm going to show you how you can use it in other ways other than just printing t-shirts. You can really, and I mean really, expand your business with the white toner printer, okay? So today's video, baby, we are printing banners. If you have been trying to figure out and trying to come to a decision on whether the white toner printer is for you and what else can you do with it as opposed to just printing t-shirts, listen, there is so much you can do. You can really expand and elevate your business with hard surface substrates, cards, magnets. I mean, the list goes on and on. Mugs, tumblers, and even banners. Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can print one-of-a-kind custom banners that you can use for yourself, you can use for your business, your storefront, or you can even sell, because we all about trying to make them coins. All right, so stick around for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead, jump into desktop mode. We're going to design an awesome banner because I want to put something on my wall. My walls are looking a little bare and blah, so I want to spruce it up in here, and what better way to add a banner to it? All right, so without further ado, let's go. So I'm on the Uninet website, and this is the banner paper. They have two different sizes. As you can see, they have the iColor banner paper in 8.5 by 49.6. It comes in a 10 pack. And of course, they have the larger one, 11.6 by 52, still a 10 pack. That's the one that I'm going to be using. That's the size I'm going to be using for today. As you can see, it's really affordable, and you can make a lot of money if you resell these, okay? So I'm just going to open it up. So once I open it up, it gives you the description. It lets you know that it's compatible with the iColor 600 and the 650, as well as a similar wide format Oki printer, white toner. So if you have the Oki, you don't have the iColor 650 or the 600, that's completely fine as well. One thing to know is that you cannot use this size for the 500. So one thing to know is that you can't use this particular size for these printers right here listed. So one particular thing to know is that you cannot use it for these particular printers right here or the iColor 800, okay? And again, it's sold in a 10 pack. So you can make beautiful banners, and I'm gonna make one today, so I cannot wait to show you how. And if you're just starting out, you've never done this before with your white toner, they do have a media printing instruction. So that's what I'm going to be going by, because this is going to be my first time testing it and using it out as well. So just know that you don't have to struggle to figure out how to do it. They have a complete instruction guide to show you how to do it. So I'm in Canva now, and the good thing about Canva is you can create anything in any custom size pretty much that you need. So I'm going to click on create a design on the left hand side, and I'm going to go down and click on custom size. because we want to be able to import the banner size. Now actually I already have it up here, so just make sure that you switch from pixels to inches, and the banner size that I'm going to be using is 11.6, that's the height, by 52 inches, that's going to be the width. So I'm going to click create new design, and as you can see, I have my entire banner size right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start creating. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna have something nice that I'm gonna put on my wall for my garage. So just watch me work, and then we're just gonna go ahead and pull it into the RIP software and print it out. So I'm back over here at the white toner printer. We got our design ready. I got my RIP software. I'm getting ready to go ahead and pull it up and transfer. But I want to show you what the banner looks like, okay? It comes in a 10-pack as I just showed you online. One side is glossy, the other side is not. So the glossy side is going to be the printable side. Okay, here we go. This is the size of the banner. This is it. Look at this. Look at this. Will you just look at this? That's a TikTok sound. All right, so as you can see, one side is glossy, the other side is just a regular finish. So we're gonna go ahead and put it into the white toner. So I just powered on the white toner. This is the iColor 650 again. And in order to print with the banner paper, all I'm gonna do is open it up like so, push this button. Now, it'll let you know exactly what to do all back here. All your directions, all your instructions are back here on how to place the ink in what direction, if it's for overprint or if it's for underprint. So right now my cartridges are lined up for cyan, yellow, magenta, and the black in the back. So I'm gonna take out the black, I'm gonna take out the cyan, and I'm going to just switch it, move that one to the back, and move this one to the front. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's all there is to it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and close this back, lock that in place, and close that. And now I'm ready for my standard printing. This printer can do so much. And there are other cartridges that you can get for like sublimation. If you want to sublimate with this printer, you can sublimate with it as well. There's things like fluorescent kits. You can do so much, all right? Of course, you can do like the hard surface paper, but some of the specialty printing, some of the special things that this printer will allow you to do, you will have to get extra cartridges, okay? So that's why I haven't ever sublimated with this, because you need a sublimation kit. But for printing banners, for standard printers, all you're doing is just swapping the cartridges. Don't get no easier than that. All right, so I'm gonna take my banner paper and I'm gonna stick it here down in the multimedia tray with the print side up, which is going to be the glossy side. I'm going to make sure I stick this in here. Now you want to make sure that this does not curl or curve. I'm sticking it all the way to the far left. Make sure that stays just like that as best as I can. And I'm going to send this to print. I'm going to open up my Pro RIP software. Okay, so first thing that you need to do before you print your banner, you're going to have to switch over your media. So the first thing I did was I came under here and I made sure that I selected Uninet iColor banner paper. That's the CMYK. Okay, well, before I did that, up here on your tabs, you're going to have Uninet iColor 650 overprint, you're going to have the underprint, and then you're going to have Uninet iColor CMYK and another one for CMYK. So I have this one selected. That's what's going to bring up your cartridges over here, and as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, it's going to tell you where, again, those cartridges should be. So as you saw me do switch it out right here, you can also see before you print to make sure everything is configured in the right way. I have the black, the yellow, cyan, and magenta. Okay, so I swapped out my cyan and my black, so that's all correct. And now I just want to make sure I have the correct paper size. I'm going to go under Q. This is under the Q tab. All right, so I have the correct paper size. I have the correct paper type, because again, you want to have the correct paper type as well. All right, so all of these things have to be set to the correct thing. So now let's go ahead and import our image, and I'm going to bring in the PDF banner. That's going to pull in. And another thing is you want to make sure that you're not mirroring. You're printing face up, so you're not mirroring this image. It's generating the preview for us. I'm going to go ahead and just click it while it's still generating the preview. Okay, so as you can see, it comes this way, right? So I'm just going to come down here to the bottom, and I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees. And as you can see, it's still small. So I'm just going to come up to the top, and I'm just going to select fit to page height. Or you can do fit to page just to the center of the page. And I think I'm going to do that because it will bring it in just a little bit. And you can bring this in, mirror, so that way you can see it just a little bit better. So this red part that's off, that won't get printed. So I'm just going to go ahead and fit to page. Fit to page. So now everything fits into the page. Looks beautifully. The image is not mirrored. As you can see, there's a little bit of white left here. So let's just go ahead and center that. Just so we'll have some white on the front and at the top and at the bottom, and then I can always cut that off if I want. Okay, so that looks perfect. Let's go ahead and send it to print. It's just that simple. So I'm going to come up to the top, and I'm just going to click on print. All right, so I inserted my paper in. I got it underneath the roll. Now last time I did it, the tabs expanded. So I don't want them to expand, so I'm going to hold it up, and I'm just going to try to keep it as straight as possible as it's getting ready to send to the printer. Because this has to be precise, and it has to be exactly straight to feed in. So here we go. Okay, so far, you see now it's shifting that way. This paper is really difficult. It's really difficult. Now it shifted that way. But so far, this is the clearest. Look at that, my arm. All right, I'm gonna take this one as a win because this is the clearest I've gotten it. And even though it shifted, I can easily just cut off the white part. Okay, I can cut off the white part if I wanted to. But that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. We got a winner. We got a winner. So I finally printed my first banner. I am going to trim the sides up. But look at this. I created this in Canva. Come on now. Look at the coloring, the detail. Yes, it took me like 2 tries because I had it on the wrong setting the first time. So you have to make sure with the white toner that no matter what type of paper you are doing, no matter what type of media you're trying to print, you have to have it on the right setting. Otherwise, the printer will let you know you are wrong. Okay, so y'all know I like to show y'all everything. So that's why it took me a few printouts to get the ink to really, just like as if I was doing sublimation and I'm doing the print head test, you have to make sure that this is on the right setting. Otherwise, you're going to have to clean and flush out all the wrong ink. But baby, look at my first banner with the white toner printer. Y'all know this is going up on my wall. So I have my QR codes for my Instagram, for my YouTube. So anytime someone comes in here, and because they always ask me, like my mailman or whoever, post office, you know, now I'm like, scan my banner. All right, so if this is something that you're interested in, especially if you already have the white toner, I'm gonna have the link to the banners down below in the description box. But also, again, if you've been thinking about should you or should you not get a white toner, just trying to show you guys some more things that it can do because it's so versatile. So stay tuned because I got lots more coming because there is a lot more that this can do. But I am really excited. I think I'm gonna put it over this way on this wall. And yeah, I just printed my first banner. Isn't she cute? Not the banner, me. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. iColor 650, 600, all that will be linked down below in the description box, and I'll be bringing you lots more. Hope you have a blessed and happy weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, keep pressing. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I bring you weekly content to show you, teach you how to grow and start your business. And of course, showing you how to use your equipment that you have or you might considering getting. All right, that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you next time. See you later. I love you. Bye.